Note: the USB disk format should be USB 2.0, 64 GB or less, not FAT32. Find out your monitor model. Download the firmware to your USB disk. Extract the file, and place the extracted files in the root directory of the USB disk. Plug the U-disk in monitor. Find out firmware upgrade in the monitor. Note: upgrading takes 3 to 5 minutes. Please keep a sufficient power, and do not power off during the process. After the upgrade is completed, please check whether the firmware version matches the downloaded firmware version.